news. University of Texas students in a North Campus neighborhood are on high alert this evening after Ring camera video shows suspected thieves going through and holding guns while circling victims' cars. KXAN's Kaitlyn Karmout has a reaction.
There's over a handful of UT students that live in the home where this happened and a couple houses away in elementary school. Now, the timestamp on the video shows that this happened early Friday morning just before students started walking to class. In this Ring camera video, you can see two people picking door handles with what looks like large guns.
Certainly a disruption to the daily life and makes you think twice about going for an early morning walk.
It's alarming for the college professors, university students, and families in this quaint area of North Campus.
I think that it's more to scare, I don't know that, who knows what their intentions were, but we all know what guns can do, and so I think that's where it is scary.
The students filed a report with the Austin Police Department. While they await an investigation, Councilmember Kathy Tovo is calling for more investments in violence prevention programs, an initiative she helped start.
We absolutely need to be able to respond to crime after it's happened, but better would be to prevent those crimes from happening in the first place. And so these kinds of programs that are aimed at really reducing opportunities for individuals to procure illegal guns are important. Those violence prevention programs that are more community-based are critical.
And there's a call by these UT students to lock your doors and keep your belongings safe.
Now this on our own driveway, and so sometimes you don't feel safe, to be honest, and it's a bummer for all the students who are just trying to get an education.
Kaitlyn Karmout, KXAN News.
We pulled the UT student's case number on APD's incident database. We've reached out to police for more information on this case. We did check the Austin Police Department's crime reports. We found since the beginning of the 2022 year that 201 crimes have been reported in that 78705 zip code. That area encompasses North Campus and nearby student neighborhoods. 48 of those were burglaries and about 38 were thefts. There were 11 assaults, and other crimes included criminal trespassing, harassment, and disturbances.